Building passive wealth in 2025 is all about smart strategies that stand the test of time rather than chasing after the latest trends. Let's dive into some practical steps you can take to create a steady stream of income without getting caught up in the noise. First, consider digital products. These are assets you create once and sell repeatedly. Think ebooks, online courses, or even stock photos. Once you set them up on platforms like Gumroad or Teachable, they can generate income while you sleep. The key is to focus on quality content that provides real value. Research what your audience needs and deliver it effectively. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services and earn a commission on sales made through your referral links. Choose a niche that resonates with you and partner with reputable companies. You can share your insights through blogs, social media, or even YouTube videos. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it requires minimal upfront investment, and once your content is out there, it can continue to earn for you over time. Now, smart investments are crucial. Look into index funds or real estate investment trusts, REITs. These options allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio without the need for constant management. The goal is to find investments that provide steady returns with minimal effort. Research is essential here. Understand the market trends and choose wisely. Automation tools can be a game changer in your wealth building journey. Use platforms like Zapier or IFTTT to automate repetitive tasks. For instance, you can set up automated emails for your affiliate marketing campaigns or schedule social media posts for your digital products. This frees up your time to focus on growth strategies rather than getting bogged down in daily tasks. Don't overlook the power of recurring income dashboards. These tools help you visualize your income streams and track your progress. By regularly reviewing your earnings, you can identify what's working and what needs adjustment. It's all about being proactive rather than reactive. Lastly, remember that building passive wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed to your strategies, continuously learn and adapt as necessary. Avoid the temptation to jump on every new trend that comes along. Focus on what aligns with your goals and values. In 2025, the path to passive wealth is clear. Create valuable digital products, leverage affiliate marketing, make smart investments, utilize automation, and keep track of your progress. With patience and persistence, you can build a sustainable income that supports your lifestyle without the stress of constant chasing.